Hi everybody! Welcome to Story Time with Miss Denise and Ollie. We are going to read a really fun story today about a little dinosaur who has a hankering for some classmates. Yup! But before we do that, will you sing the hello song with Ollie and I? You will? Okay. Are you ready, Ollie? Ollie's ready. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Hello, nice to see you, everyone. Hello, nice to see you, everyone. Hello to you, hello to you, hello to you. Hello to me. Hello, nice to see you, everyone. Oh, thank you for singing with us. Well, we wanted to read you a really fun book about somebody that was going to school. It's a silly book. You know me and my silly books. Well, we're going to put Ollie down so I can read the story, but he's going to listen to us. This book is called Don't Eat Your Classmates. Oh my. Just the title is silly, isn't it? Don't eat your classmates. Or we don't eat our classmates. And this is by Ryan T. Higgins. Don't eat your classmates. Penelope Rex was nervous. It was not every day that little T-Rex starts school. This must be Penelope's very first day of school. What are my classmates going to be like? Will they be nice? How many teeth will they have? This was very important. Penelope's mom bought her a new backpack with ponies on it. Ponies were Penelope's favorite because ponies are delicious. Penelope's dad packed her a lunch of 300 tuna sandwiches and 1 apple juice. 300! Oh my! Penelope has a big appetite, doesn't she? Finally, the big day came and Penelope Rex was very surprised to find out that all of her classmates were children. Oh my, not one dinosaur, huh? All of them are children. So she ate them because children are so delicious. Penelope Rex, said Mrs. Noodleman, don't eat our classmates. Please spit them out at once. So she did. It was not the best way to start school. Still, Penelope was determined to have a good first day. They don't look very happy, do they? No. So she tried hard to make friends at recess. Look, they're going down the slide. She's going to catch them in her mouth. Uh-oh. And she finger painted some of her very best work. What did she paint a picture of? Can you tell? A dinosaur eating a child. She even saved Griffin Emery a seat at lunch. Ooh, you can sit right here on my plate. Penelope started to notice that everyone was making friends, but her. It was lonely. She was playing all by herself and sitting all by herself. I think it's probably because maybe the children are a little bit nervous that she might eat them again. When she got home, her dad asked her about her first day of school. I didn't make any friends, Penelope cried. None of the children wanted to play with me. Penelope Rex, her father asked, did you eat your classmates? Well, maybe sort of a little bit. Sometimes it's hard to make friends, said her dad, especially if you eat them. You see, Penelope, children are the same as us on the inside. They're just tastier. That gave Penelope a lot to think about that night when she was resting. So the next day, Penelope really tried hard. But poor Penelope, she couldn't stop herself from eating her classmates. Miss Noodleman, Penelope ate William Omoto again, and they were all afraid of her. Except for Walter. Walter was a goldfish. So Penelope tried to make friends with him. Will you be my friend? Chomp! Uh-oh, Walter chomped on her finger. Eee! Cried Penelope. He's eating my finger! Wah! Her poor finger's all red. Once Penelope found out what it was like to be somebody's snack, she lost her appetite for children. She didn't want to eat them anymore. Look, her fingers all bandaged up. She stopped eating her classmates. Even Cece Woodman spilled barbecue sauce all over herself. She didn't eat her. And soon Penelope made friends. Found you! Want a brownie? I helped make them. Look, she's offering her friends a brownie. Now, even when the children look especially delicious, she peeks at Walter and she remembers what it's like when someone tries to eat you. And Walter the goldfish stares right back at her and licks his lips. Uh-oh. Because dinosaurs are delicious. That was a fun book. Poor Penelope. She just had a yummy hankering for some yummy children, didn't she? She couldn't help herself. But then she realized when the goldfish, Walter, tried to eat her, she realized that it wasn't too much fun to get eaten. No. So then she made a bunch of new friends, didn't she? Well, thank you guys so much for joining us and reading our story. It is actually time for us to say goodbye. So will you sing the goodbye song with Ollie and I? Will you? Okay, are you ready, Ollie? Okay. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Goodbye to you, goodbye to you, goodbye to you. Goodbye to me. Goodbye, see you next time, everyone. Okay, he's gonna blow kisses. You ready? Mwah, mwah, mwah. Will you guys blow kisses to Ollie? Okay, you ready, Ollie? Oh, get that one. Oh, there's one. Oh, there's one. Yes. Rub them on your cheek. Thank you guys. You have a great week, and we will see you next week with Storytime with Miss Denise and Ollie. Bye-bye.